In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google on your PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The PlayStation 4 features a web browser, which in turn allows you to access Google or any other website of your choice. So I'm going to teach you how to open this web browser and access Google. To do this, go into your library. So from the home screen of the PlayStation 4, go all the way to the right or until you find the library option. In your library, look for Internet Browser. So search for Internet Browser and it should be available by default. If for whatever reason you have to install it or download some sort of update, just go ahead. Once the Internet Browser appears, it will have this www icon. Just select it from the options and then choose the option to start the web browser. Now you will have this view where you will be loaded into the PlayStation website by default. You will see all of the options here, so full screen or square, R3 for zoom, and then you can use the options to open the actual settings menu. Now you can enter a custom URL. Press the triangle button and this will allow you to search. In here, type Google and on the suggestions you should see a pop-up. So make sure that you select Google or you manually type it out at the top here. And once you are done, press R2 to search, so you can always know which button you have to press. Once you search for Google, you will be able to select it from the list of results or just click the logo at the top left. And with this done, you are now in the Google search engine. Now you can search for whatever you wish directly on your PlayStation console, or you can go to specific domains. It is easy to do, and all that you need to use is the Internet Browser. Press triangle to open the search function and look for Google. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Google on PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.